Namaskar. Many struggle with focus and concentration. The average attention span of adults is now just 8 to 10 seconds, like a goldfish, which has an attention span of 9 seconds. And this happens because you are constantly distracted, mostly by your screen. Today, there are more than 6.9 billion smartphone users in the world, almost 86% of global population, and most of you check your phones 90 to 150 times every day. Being distracted like this also affects your health, because if you constantly want to use your screen, you become more sedentary. Slowly, you won't have time or the willpower to be physically active, because it feels more comfortable to use your screen. This can lead to health problems like obesity, bad sleep quality, weak immune system, cardiovascular diseases, neck and back pain. Now let's understand what constant distraction does to your brain. First, it creates dopamine trap. Dopamine is the chemical your brain releases when you achieve something. It gives you a sense of satisfaction after you do something that is challenging. But nowadays, with increased digital stimulation, the brain has been tricked into releasing dopamine for distraction, like notification, likes, or short videos. This creates a small burst of pressure in the brain without doing actual work. The brain then becomes addicted to getting dopamine easily without work. The result is that quiet activities like reading, studying, or deep work start to feel difficult. This is why you keep losing your ability to focus. Many people may be very talented or capable, but they will never be able to fulfill their potentials because of this dopamine trap. Success demands that you work hard and put in the effort. But a distracted brain will never let you to do that. So learn to be mindful of these distractions. Next, constant distraction also creates mental fatigue. Mental fatigue is your brain getting tired when it has to be active intensely for a long period of time. This can happen if you continuously do many things together. If you are cooking or working but also scrolling or responding to messages, that is difficult for the brain. It is the human brain is meant to only focus on one task at a time. When you do two or more things together, the brain is actually switching between the task at high speed. This creates a lot of load on brain, which causes fatigue. Mental fatigue can cause problems like decreased productivity, slow or confused decision making, reduced concentration, reduced physical stamina, lack of motivation, and even anxiety and social withdrawal. Now, let me share a more powerful technique to train your focus again. First is Yogendra Trataka. Trataka is a kriya with multiple benefits. Traditionally, it has been practiced by yogis, not only just for its benefit effects on the eyes, but also for its tremendous effect on improving concentration. Second technique is 20 minutes focus cycle. When you sit down to work, decide that for next 20 minutes, you will do only one task. Keep your phone away or on silent mode. Close unnecessary tabs. For those 20 minutes, give your full attention to a single activity. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the task. Do not judge yourself. Just return your attention. After 20 minutes, take a short break of 2 to 3 minutes. Stretch your body, take a few deep breaths, or simply look away from the screen, and then begin the next 20-minute cycle. This method works because the brain finds it easier to focus for shorter defined periods. Gradually, as you repeat these cycles, your concentration becomes stronger. Now, let me give you a special tip to reinvent yourself, choose 1 hour every day that is completely phone free. During that 1 hour, do something that requires your full attention, like reading a book. At first, this may feel uncomfortable. Your hand may even reach for the phone automatically. That is because your mind has become accustomed to constant stimulation. But if you practice this 1 hour of undistracted living every day, your mind slowly relearns how to stay with one thing. Your thoughts become clearer, your attention becomes deeper. A distracted mind lives reactively, a focused mind lives intentionally. So, if you want to reinvent yourself, reclaim your attention, because the quality of your attention ultimately becomes the quality of your life. Namaskar.